Well, there's the family. There's our and old Mac. I'm not on the boat, the banana boat, I'm actually on the boat itself, but there's pretty rough is the sea for this. Oh, bells. Here we go. You got the rope fast. Looks like we've got the rope fast around the propeller. Hiya everybody! Falling off. We lost one. Come on, Joe, Mark, keep going. Oh dear. Okay, everybody get off my banana boat.
Uncle Steve, can we borrow your phone for picture taking?
Can you what?
Can we borrow your phone for picture taking only?
Of course you can, Shandy.
Thank you.
Well, everybody, this has been a crazy day, hard day to make this video. Extremely hard to make it, I must admit. I've not been very sociable with the family, but they understand the reason why. Yeah, they understand. But it's that magic hour now. We're getting ready for going home. I've had a decent day. I won't say I've had a good day. It was exciting going out on that old banana boat, but it's been difficult. I've had some stupid tears. Do we call them? Is it stupid? I don't know. But I've had quite a lot of tears. Which has made it so I'm not being very sociable with the rest of the people. But I think the last 2 hours I've had a decent time. It's been good. I've got people here still enjoying themselves in this sun here. I suppose it'd been lovely to stay and watch the sunset, but nah, we need to go home. Let's just get further down where there's nobody in front. There we are. Really nice place. It's enjoyable. It's a rip-off for the price of the beer. bottles of San Miguel Ice are 47 pence in LCC. But here at the resort, the 65, which, you know, you pay more, don't you? It's obvious you do. So it's not a problem. They've got to make their little bit of money. Like I said, there's still quite a lot of people about. Sorry, I'm just thinking they're here on the banana boat. Nice speedboat. Sorry, sorry. I was just thinking to myself. To go on that, you get 2 runs up and down, you get 2 rooms. It's 1,800 for 8 people, and I'll be honest with you, it was worth every penny just to see Lara's face, just to see her face. She enjoyed it. She was laughing and smiling. So she's a lot stronger than what I am. So they've enjoyed that, and then we've got some more going on it as well. Nice little business, isn't it? Nice little business, definitely. If you can get, if you've got a boat, got the banana boat, got a speed boat, getting a resort here. It's not bad at all. Easy money, I suppose. Right, as you can see, people are leaving now. Not as many here. And look at this. Life takes you down many paths, but the ones with the best memories always lead to the beach. I suppose that's true.